This is a cute little booger. It is badged in American machine. It's basically just a class 15 Singer 66 clone is all it is. But it uses a class 15 bobbin instead of the 66 drop-ins like the Singer, or I'm sorry, 99K, not 66. My bad. 99K is the smaller Singer. This is a very nice machine. As you can see, the gold decals along the edge are in excellent condition. It is a straight stitch only machine, top tension being on the end of the snout there. Stitch length here. This machine does have a feed dog drop, and that is accessible underneath. It's underneath there. Bobbin winder here on the knob, and a 1-amp motor. Of course, it is all metal. Very nice little machine. It is 3/4 sized. The deck is only 12 inches long, where a regular machine is 14.5. So just like the 99K, it's 3/4 size. Uses 15x1 needles and class 15 bobbins. Goes down easily somewhere as simple as Walmart, or you can buy them online. It's a smooth running machine. The paint's in very good condition. There's no crazing, crackling, or major damage. Still has a nice shine to it. Has a nice balanced stitch. There's 6 layers of a thick cotton upholstery fabric. Nice little worker for just basic projects where you don't need any bells or whistles, just straight stitch. This is 5 layers of denim, real denim, nice and thick. And if you've ever tried to sew denim on a plastic machine, it's pretty much impossible. This little guy runs right through it. It's a nice balanced stitch. Included are bobbins, a ruffler, and the fabric samples. Use a standard low shank screw-on feet and attachments, so you should be able to find pretty much anything you'd like fairly easily. And this is 3 layers of garment leather. Goes right through it, no problem. And it does have reverse. Beautiful balanced stitch on 3 nice layers of garment leather. And that is the American 99 clone sewing machine.